Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, we will learn how to create news app in MIT App Inventor. So there are two ways to create this app. First one is you can create news app using fully MIT App Inventor, right? You can use CloudDB to update your news, but you can use another option like you can use Blogger to update your news and you can display this Blogger news in your MIT App Inventor app. Okay. So I prefer second one because you don't need to worry about space and you don't need to worry about server. You don't need to worry about nothing if you are using Blogger option. And you can monetize the Blogger also. So you can make money from your MIT App Inventor app. Okay. So in this video, we will learn how we can create news app using Blogger plus MIT App Inventor. Okay. So here we go. So we need to click on Start New Project and just type here news app and click on OK. Now we need to drag and drop here one web viewer like this and make this with its fill parent and make this hide its fill parent. Right now, go to the blog section and here whenever someone press the back button, it means when screen dot back press, then you will see here the option of if if can go back. Just drag and drop this. Click on the logic option, no control option, and you'll find here if else condition. Drag and drop this. And if the web viewer can go back, drag and drop this here. Then click on web viewer. Then we have to call go back option. Right this. Okay. Else, if there is no option for go back, it means someone is in a front page, then we will exit from this app. So we will just type here close application like this, right? This pretty simple. Now let's go to the design and we have to paste our home URL for Blogger. So let's create the Blogger account. Okay, Blogger simply, and you find blogger.com. Just click on it and then you have to sign up with your Gmail account. Okay, so click on create your blog. Then you have to enter your email ID, then your password. Just click on next. Now you can see choose a name for your blog. So I'm going to just put here TCB, the coding bus news. Okay, and click on next. And you can see choose a URL for your blog. So I'm going to put here the coding bus news, or I can just simply TCB news. Let's see this one is available or not. This block address is not available. So let me just change it and make it the coding bus news. Okay, and let's see its work. Yeah, this blog address is available. Click on next. Then display name is the coding bus news. Click on finish. Okay, and wait some seconds. Here you can see, let's crop it. No, fine. Here you can see that's your blog. Yeah, you don't need to worry, just wait. Now we need to create one news here, okay? In the left side, you will find new post. Just click on it simply. And we have to add some news here, okay? So let me just, the coding bus first news is here, right? That's the title of our news. And then just paste some content here. The coding bus first news is here, and you can paste some content from whatever you want here. And you can add on some images here. Like click on this image option, upload from your computer, photos, and blogger. So click on this upload from your computer and let's upload some images. Click on choose file. Let me just put this one. Click on this image and select. And you can see that's the image here, right? Now, that's the image, that's the content. You can put your video also here. Like if you want to put your YouTube video, you can use it, right? You are making the news app here, right? So you can put your news channel video, news channel images, your content, everything. Now, just copy this title and paste this one in a label. simply. Okay. Now we need to click on this publish option, right? You can see here in the right side, click on publish and this publish this post to your blog, confirm and wait some second. Yeah, that one is published right now. In the, you can see here icon, just click on it to view your blog. And here you can see TCB news, right? That's our blog. Now let me just change this design. Okay. So go to the blog post and here you will find the theme option in the left side. Click on it and wait some second. And you can see here, there are a lot of themes. Okay. So you can choose any theme here. All themes are amazing. Okay. So I'm going to choose this one theme or this one. This one theme is look like a news theme, right? So let me just choose this theme. Click on apply. This one is apply successfully. Now go to the blog and you just need to remove this and you just need to type here the coding bus new. That's our URL .blogspot.com, right? That's our website here, free of cost, right? And here you can see TCB news and that's our first news. You can see the share option also here, right? Now just copy this URL. Okay. Now go to the MIT App Inventor, paste your home URL here and just check ignore FSL, right? Now just simply run this app. I'm using an emulator to run this app. So you can see that's our app here, right? So that's your news, first news, right? So now let me just put one more news here. Okay. So click on new post again and then type your second news and just paste some content. Click on the insert video option up to YouTube and just search and type here the coding bus anything and just pick one video from here. Let me just pick the diary app and let's click on publish option, confirm, right? Now that's two news here. We have updated our blog. Now go to the blog, go to the app and let's refresh this. Okay. So whenever someone open our app, so they can see there two newses. Wait some second and you can see that's the first news here. That's the second news here, right? So anyone can click on this news and read it and share it, right? Now that's our app. Now second part is how we can earn from this app, right? So that's very pretty simple. You know, you can earn money from your blogger account. It means here you can see that's my blogger account. In the left side, you will find earnings option. Click on it and you need to create your AdSense account. If you already have AdSense account, you can just connect your AdSense account with your blogger, right? So Google will display the ads on your blog, okay? And that all ads are displayed in your app because we have linked our website in this app, okay? So it means you can earn money from your MIT App Inventor app, right? So that's very easy and simple process to create your own news app and earn money. Okay. So let me know if you have any doubt related to this app. So just comment on the video. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.